Welcome to I'll go fix it. I've got this toilet here, and when I flush it, it takes, I don't know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes to refill. Forever, literally forever. It used to refill within a minute, well, probably less than that. But now it's just proper, the water's just filling up with like a trickle, and it's just, you can hear the thing topping up for ages and ages and ages. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. So first thing, if you've got one of these push buttons, you need to just unwind it off like this. Alright, the lid should come away. Now if we have a look inside, so the water's coming out from here, but it's coming out real slow. So the guess is there's something wrong with the valve or the thing in here. So it's taking forever. If you look, it's just, there's no real speed or pressure coming out or real flow coming out. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up and have a look and see what the damage is and see if we can fix it. Fingers crossed, let's give it a shot. Before we do that, first what we're going to do is we're going to, if you look down there, just down there, we're going to turn the water off just in case, so we don't mess things up. So we turn it off with a screwdriver. Give me a sec. So I've turned it off. You can hear the water's actually stopped. Alright, so we need to get this thing open. It's probably a pair of pliers or a wrench. I've got these. Should be alright. Let's widen them up a bit. So we loosened it, we should be able to just unwind it. So if you look, we unwind it, see what's happening. Okay, so we've got this. So that doesn't look anything fancy, so that looks okay. Put that to the side. There's something here. I think something's stuck, yeah. So you can see there's this little rubber ring. So if we grab this out, give me a sec. Okay, so I can use two hands. Now I've got it out, so have a look, see. Yeah, it's pretty much ripped up, so that's no good. That's why we're having trouble with the water issues. So you need to get one of these. You can get one of these off eBay for a couple of quid. It's not very hard to change. You can just pop that back in and then close it back up, and it should do the trick. So here's one I bought earlier. Actually, I bought this a long time ago. Seems like it's in good nick. So we're going to get this in there, and hopefully it will do the trick. So what we want to do is actually, you see, rather than stick this in there, let's attach it here so it's on correctly. So now that's on, we don't have to do no lining up, and we just screw this back in and you should be good to go. You see it's on there, so let's try that. Alright, so it's back on. A few things to note. Okay, first thing is that make sure this is sitting flush. It's not at an angle, so it's flush all the way around. And you see this little arm here needs to be tucked back in to the groove here, so it lines up with the float. And then once you tighten it up, you should be okay. So let's turn this on. So I think it's filling up okay. Just give it a watch, keep watching it. I stopped. So now, that filled up pretty quick actually. So let's give it a flush. Well, that's not bad, is it? Get it all the way empty. Yeah, it's filling up pretty quick now, look at that. Here we go. We're done. Done. So the problem was a worn out or ripped one of these rubber diaphragmy things. I don't know what they call them, but I've seen them on eBay. What does it say on here? Cistern washer, multicolor. Yeah, so that's what it's called. What's it say on the side here? Yeah, so actually look, you can see where I bought it from. This was a long time ago. I bought it from here, so probably 6 months, a year ago I bought this. But so Cistern washer, and it looks like that, and you're good to go. So it's not that hard to do, easy DIY job. If you have any problems, give me a shout and I'll try and give you some advice. I am not an expert on this, and lots of people give me comments to some of my videos, but like I said, I'm winging it, and it's free. Catch you guys in the next one. Please sub, please like the channel, and I'll keep churning out the quality.